What's up? I've been playing around with Copilot Kit and the new Channels SDK, and I wanted to just show you how easy it is to get up and running. So you can just say, can you spin up a Claude managed agent to back a Channels SDK integration in Slack, and then drop in this URL. I'll put this in the description too. This is a guide that they've written to help agents sort of spin up faster. It'll walk you through the entire process for getting the Channels SDK set up. There's also a repo here that I put up that's pretty lightweight and just has an example for how you can set up your Claude managed agent as the backend for a little Slack bot. And it's so quick to get up and running. And here we have like a CMA assistant. Say hello for the demo. And then this is using the Channels SDK sort of bridge. So the message first goes to the Copilot Kit team or whatever, and then they will actually hand it off to the Claude managed agent and then reply. And so it's handling all of the glue code for talking to Slack, and they have support for other channels and such. But this is like a super fast way to get up and running. So you can basically just drop this into Claude Code, copy and paste the Slack manifest to create the Slack app, drop in some environment variables, and you're off to the races. Claude managed agents plus Channels SDK integration.